Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it would be like to live in space? To float among the stars, free from the pull of gravity, and see the Earth as a beautiful blue marble below? Imagine the thrill of weightlessness, the freedom to move in any direction, and the breathtaking views of the cosmos. Well, thanks to NASA, that dream isn't so far away. NASA has been working tirelessly to make space exploration a reality for humanity. High above Earth, orbiting our planet, is the International Space Station, or ISS. This marvel of engineering is a testament to human ingenuity and international cooperation. It's like a giant, super-advanced home where astronauts live and work. They conduct experiments, maintain the station, and even grow plants in space. And guess what? This incredible space station is getting even cooler with the power of artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing how we explore space. Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is like giving a brain to machines. It allows them to perform complex tasks, learn from their experiences, and adapt to new situations. It lets them learn, solve problems, and make decisions, just like we do. This means more efficient operations and safer missions. Now, imagine that kind of brainpower helping to run the space station. AI can assist astronauts in their daily tasks, monitor the station systems, and even predict potential issues before they arise. That's the exciting future NASA is building. A future where humans and intelligent machines work together to explore the final frontier. Life on the space station is busy. Astronauts perform experiments, exercise, and even go on spacewalks. Managing all these tasks and the station itself is a big job. That's where AI comes in. Think of AI as a super efficient assistant that never sleeps. AI can monitor the station's systems, like checking oxygen levels or making sure the temperature is just right. It can schedule tasks and even help with experiments. By taking care of these everyday jobs, AI frees up astronauts to focus on more important things, like exploring the mysteries of space. Space is an amazing but challenging place to live. It's important to keep astronauts safe from things like radiation or equipment malfunctions. Again, AI is a superhero in disguise. AI can analyze data from sensors all over the station, looking for anything unusual. If something seems wrong, like a pressure drop or a problem with the life support system, AI can alert the astronauts right away. It's like having a guardian angel watching over them 24/7. Section 4. To Infinity and Beyond. AI's role in future missions. As we venture farther into space, to the moon and even Mars, AI will be more important than ever. The vast distances and the harsh environments of space present unique challenges that require advanced solutions.